Hello guys, welcome back to EduTech. So today we are going to make a small application on Flutter, that is a chatbot on Flutter application. So before starting the video, I would like to request all of you guys that if you're watching this video, please first of all go ahead to your Instagram application and follow us as EduTech Load official right here. Guys, let me tell you how we will be making this chatbot on the Flutter application. First of all, you need to know that we will be using Dialogflow here. Okay, so you need to work on Dialogflow side first of all, because you have to make intents, entities, and everything that will be worked on Dialogflow side. So you can get a video at the I button itself, at the top of the I button. Okay, you will get a video that how you can integrate how you can work on Dialogflow in around 30 minutes and you can create your own chatbot. So please go ahead and watch the video first of all, then you will get to know that how I will be integrating the Dialogflow into my Flutter application and get a chatbot. Okay, so please go ahead. I will wait for you and let's see. So I think so you have checked out the video. So okay, now I will be going ahead and integrating my Dialogflow on the Flutter application. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you, you need to this is the Dialogflow intent entities. You have to create everything. I will be using that same Dialogflow project, that is Cupcake Shop, and so the package which I am using is Flutter Dialogflow. Okay, so let's copy this out. Almost I have done everything. This is the Flutter Dialogflow 0.13. I have done it. Now one thing, let me tell you that when you are using any Google products like Dialogflow or Firebase or Firestore, you have to get a JSON file that this is your credentials and this is using to other applications or framework. So first of all, we will head to if one thing, if you have created your Dialogflow, everything has been done. So you have to get to the Google console. Okay, get to Google console. Yes, you have to get your secret key. Okay, that is credential files, everything you have to get, and you have to import that things into the Flutter application. So getting to this, we'll get to service API here and we'll get to credentials. The net is quite slow in this lockdown procedures. Credentials, okay, it was there itself. Now you need to create credentials, then you have to click on service account. Once you click on service account, you need to provide your service account. Let's say I have a cupcake shop, so I will provide a cupcake shop and account ID, whatever you want, and this, then you can click on create. After when you create, you will be asked, then you want a key, then you have to click on key and then you can click on JSON. The JSON file will be automatically downloaded. Let me show you how my JSON file looks like. So I have just added two assets. It is this. Okay, service account and everything will be there in the JSON file itself. You need to just add the JSON file inside the assets and import from the pub.dev. We'll have done that too also. Assets cupcake, whatever code it is, .json file. Okay, so now after doing this all, you need to just install this. Okay, installing, copy, done. You need to, okay, now you are using v2, okay, not v1. So basically just go here and type import Dialogflow v2 . Okay, now let's say we'll have our application, my app, sorry, okay, done. Yeah, now let's say we'll have a scaffold. We'll have a scaffold with the v1 app bar. Okay, let's say we will have an app bar too. Okay, we'll give it a title, sorry, title, let's say text, cupcake shop bot. Okay, just this is a dummy project, so you can rename whatever you want. I will give the color as let's say background color will be, sorry, let me make it bigger. Yeah, now it's okay. Text colors dot the orange. Okay, now let's get ahead to our body part. Body, let's create a container. In that I will have a child which has a column, and column will provide a cross alignment to stretch the space. Okay, now let's say we have a children will have a flexible space for a list view so that I can get my chats whatever I want. List view. Okay, no, let's wait. Before building this whole application, we will test whether the chatbot works or not. Okay, so let's say we won't make these things. Let's make a simple thing. Let's test if it works or not. Okay, center child raised button. We'll just check first. Does it work or not? Okay, text response. Let's see. Okay, now let's make a function. Okay, we will be making a function that will help us to get to the chatbot and check the intents, check the entities, and then get back the response from the Dialogflow itself. So let's say we'll make here void response. Now we will add some queries, because let's say if I say hello, then it will provide me a response of hi, how are you. If I say can I, okay, let me show you first of all how the Dialogflow works. Let me close this out. Okay, let me show you. Okay, if I say I need a cake, okay, then it responds as what size are you looking for. Okay, so this should be the response. And if I say other things such as yeah, I'm looking for this, I'm looking for that, like the Dialogflow should respond. Okay, so this should be an async method. Yep. And let's say first of all we will authenticate Google is equal to await, because I have added my JSON file. Okay, so I need to do that. So let's say my assets, comma assets, whatever assets I have. Let's what's the asset name I need to check. Yeah, just copying this whole thing and pasting here itself so that I can, yeah, done. Okay, now authentication has been done. Now authentication has been done. Now you need to contact to the Dialogflow. Okay, Dialogflow. Sorry, Dialogflow. Sorry guys if I made any mistakes, because sometimes it happens. Okay, so now you need to pass this auth Google. Okay, here. So auth Google will pass here. Now you can check that we have provided the auth Google. From here, Dialogflow will authenticate the JSON file. Next, after that, just provide the language also, because what language you're using. Let's say if you're in Germany, if you're using your German, let's say I'll show you. The language should be provided here itself also. I'm using basic English language, so I will be providing English itself. Nothing more than that. If you're using German, then you can provide German also. Then let's say language. My language will be language dot English. Okay. Now getting ahead of this. Yeah, done. Language has been done. Now I need to build this thing. I forgot it to build. Yeah, file JSON dot build. Okay, you need to build this thing. Well, everything is but done. Awaited. This has been done. You don't need to make await Dialogflow, because this is not a big deal for us. Authentication has been done here itself. Okay. Now I need to get response. That is AI response. Okay. AI response. AI response is equal to let's say here I will be awaiting for Dialogflow response. What I have used Dialogflow dot get, sorry, Dialogflow dot. First of all, I will send the query. So we'll say dialogflow dot detect intent. Okay. Yeah. So query, whatever intent will be there inside the query, it will be detected. Okay. I think so. Query is coming. Yeah. Yeah. So here it is done. So now after the Dialogflow detects the intent, so that I'm saying yes, I'm asking for the cake, I'm asking for cupcake, I'm asking for ice creams. So after the detection, now the Dialogflow will send me the response. So how will I get the response? Let's say chat message. Okay. Okay, now I will be printing the response. Let's say AI response dot get message. Okay, whatever the message will be, it will be printed here itself. Okay, now let's test this thing. Mm, response. What my function name was. Response. Now let's say query. Let's say first print this hello. Okay, let's run as the application has been restarted and build it up. So let's test. Okay, you guys can see that I have provided a hello query to the response, and the response takes and it authenticates and provide dialogflow, then it will check the intent and the responses we have. So let's click on this and we get a response that is text hello. Okay, let's say what if I say who are you? Who are you? Okay, let's reload and let's click this again. Yep, it says, "Hey there, I'm a cupcake shop bot, there to help you." Now let's see who you have the chatbot. Okay, so yeah, this will be there itself, and we need to just clear this mess out, center and out things. And let's get started. Let's have a column so that we can have children's as well as I'll need a flexible space for the list view, so that I can show a list to you guys of the chats, whatever I'm chatting with it. Yep, this is done. Now after that I need a space that will have for writing the messages. Okay, so let's say we'll have a container. Yeah, we will have a container. Then after that we can get some margins, so that, and this will be called as constant HS, sorry, CNST, H and sets dot symmetric. Okay, we will provide some symmetric to it, and the symmetric will be as horizontal 8.0 by default. Okay, now after that having a container, we will provide some container here itself, so that we can have a typing something. Okay, message for that. We'll have a row, create a row, let's say we'll have children, then we can have a flexible space as well as for the text field, and something to say as that please insert your text and a send button. Okay, so let's say flexible again. Flexible is the one widget that is very useful to us. Okay, so flexible, we'll have a text field, sorry, text field. Yep. Then text field will have a control also, so that whatever we type, okay, let's say we will create here itself final message insert equal to text editing controller. Okay, get done. Copy this here to here. Next, now control has been done. Now let's say when all submitted, when it has been submitted, means when we have to complete and send it out. So on submitted we will have now let's control has been done. Now let's say we'll have something as, okay, decoration. Okay, to have a decoration we'll just provide decoration to the and let's say we'll have input decoration as usual. And input decoration will have a collapse text message. Okay, let's say collapse. Now, what is the in text? Let's say send your message. Okay, yeah, that's done. Now we need to have icon. When we press on that, it should send the messages, whatever messages we are typing out. It should send as a query to the Dialogflow. So let's say we'll have a container again. Okay, container will have margin, and that will be also set start symmetric. Very symmetric, and it will be a horizontal 4.0. Okay, we'll have a child for that, and there I will have icon button. Okay, icon, and there I will use icons as icons dot set. Okay, yeah, done. Now when I press on that, I need to check. Okay, I need to check if the text is empty. Let's say I haven't typed anything on the text controller, on the text field. Okay, so it shouldn't send that. Okay, let's say if insert is empty. Sorry, text dot is empty. We need to print something. Print empty message. Okay. What else? If it is been there, if it is contained on that, then we will send it to whom? You. The name is response. Okay, and the query response. We will be using here message insert dot text. And now, if you didn't understand this code, let me tell you. I'm using here a flexible text field inside a flexible, so that it will manage the spaces, and I will using your icon button that will, on pressed, it will send the data, that is messages what I will be typing out to the response. Okay, everything is been done. Let's load this out, check the view of that. Yeah, so as you guys can see, this is what. Okay, let's remove this debug first of all. Let's take false, done, restart. Okay, the container is been a little bit low. Okay, so let's add something so that I can have it. Let's say, where is the container? Okay, we'll have a padding from the bottom. This is only from bottom, so that I can have. You can use safely also, but for us I'm using this padding itself. Just to show you guys. Let's say I will add padding 10.0. Let's load this out. Okay, now you can see. Let me add the more. Maybe. Yeah. Now you can type this message whatever I want. Okay. Let's see. You can type anything. Done. Yeah. Okay. Let me add a divider here so that it creates a difference between the list view and this divider. Let's say the height will be something as 2 point or something 3.0. You can have a color of something else, whatever you can say. No problem with this. Just convert it. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Look this out. Now, whatever the messages, we will have a channel with Chatbot. So the messages will be placed here. Now we need to add every message. We need to have every message in a list so that we can show here itself. Okay. Now first of all, let's test this list view. Let's say for loop and this is equal to 0, I is greater than 10, I plus plus, and let's check this. And let me proper enough text. Hello, right? Hello. Yeah, we got it. Okay, let's say get 100. So let's say this call is working or not. Yeah, this row is also working perfectly fine. Okay, now let's remove this out for loop and everything. You can use list view builder also. Okay, no problem. Let's create a list also. List, list. Let's say it will be string for us because we're recording everything will be quietly string. So no matter how it takes, the string messages is equal to list. Now, this is completed till here, and so what we will be doing is, okay, we are using string now. We will be putting all the messages inside this list and we'll be displaying it here. Okay, so I think so. Yeah, first let's see this, what the response is and how to manage it. Okay, let's say hello, and the response is yep. Okay, so we are getting it is in map form. Let's make this properly text again. Sorry, yeah. 0 text, and then again we will be having, okay, we will be having again text. Now let's see what's the response is. Hello, yeah, good day. Okay, well, let's say one more bracket so that 0 index will be there. Again, yep, it's there. Now okay, we will be adding this everything inside these messages as well as what the whatever the query we are writing. Okay, we have to display that also here, and the message from chatbot to here. So to differentiate the messages which we are writing inside the query will be here, and the messages from the chatbot will be here. So we need to have a data 0 and 1. So chatbot data will be 0 and our query will be 1. So instead of the string, we will be using map. Okay, we will be using a map. So because it will help us to define the data. Let's remove this out and print. Sorry, print. We have to make it out. Let's say set state. Okay, we need to change the state as as the messages arrives to our app. Okay, so let's say messages dot insert. Okay, messages dot insert will be in the 0 and element will be, now element will be, we will be having a data that is for the message from the chatbot will be 0, as well as the message list message will be this. Okay, to string, yeah, done. Okay, I think so, done. Okay, now let's make here also, when we are pressing this, when we are pressing the send button, the first thing that it should do there, that it should save the data, save this query to the message. So we need to present here. I said the chatbot data will be 0 and the message query which we are writing the query it will be 1. So let's say if the message will be insert. Okay, let's after that, okay, we need to have a set state. Okay, we will provide a set state, so that the state changes whenever the data is inserted. Messages messages dot insert. Okay, insert at the index of 0, element will be yeah, the same again, data, because it is a mapping form. Let's say the data will be almost 1. Okay, because from the user type. Okay, and the message will be, sorry, message will be messages. Let's say copy this, paste here, dot text. Okay, I think it's done. Yeah. Next, after the changing the state from here, we will be doing this to the sending the query to be there, and we'll clear this text field. Okay, so let's say message copy, sorry, message copy or dot clear. Done. Let's have it. Okay, it's done. Almost it's done. Okay. Now, sending and getting data has been done. Now we need to have a view of this message. So let's clear this out. Let's clear this everything. List view. We don't want list view. We want list view dot data. Okay. list view list view dot builder. Sorry, something here. List view dot builder. Okay. Now builder will have a context and an index. Will provide a widget. Okay, let's say. Okay, now we need to manage. Now we need to manage the data. Okay, so we gonna check the data, okay, of the each of the index of the messages. So let's say, uh, yeah, we will have a text. First of all, we are making this a dummy one, so you can use many of these widgets to design this chatbot. Okay, we will be just making a casual one. Okay, so let's say if the messages, wait, if the messages uh, bracket index, okay, uh, let's say the data is equal to 0, then at that time we will have a text that will have some data, that is messages with the index, sorry, index that is having message message dot toString. Now we need to have one more data. Okay, we will having the same text as usual, just we need to have a focus that if the data is 0, it will be at this side. If the data is 1, it will be on this side. Okay, so just a minute. We will provide the ternary one, ternary operator. Yeah, done. Now let's restart this and let's see the result. Okay, we need to have a data. Well, uh, okay, we need to provide something. Yeah, let's do a builder. Then item count is missing. Item count is equal to messages dot length. Let's restart. We have done. Okay. Now let's check this out. When we are writing hello, we are sending some query. Okay. Yeah, we are sending some query. It goes here, and the reply comes at this side. Now make a note that we are passing the data, the chatbot data, on the left hand side, whereas the data which I am sending should be on right hand side. So if data is equal to 0 means the chatbot message, okay, so it should be on the right hand side, the left hand side, that is correct. But if the data is 1, that should be on right hand side. So just need to do a simple thing, that is align text align on the right hand side. Let's see. Yep, it works. Just give a padding. It's all 5.4 will work, I think so. That's look cool. Let's make it 10. Yeah, that's done. Looks good. Okay. Other thing, if you want to add some padding, you can add it. No problem with these things. It works fine. And the second thing, okay, we are getting at this top, so we need to give it as list to build, that is reverse. Okay, we need to print it reverse, that is true. Okay, yeah, done. Now let's reload this out. You look, it's hello, hi different. Okay, who are you? Who are you? Hey there, I'm a cupcake shop bot, there to help you with your orders. Okay, I need a pineapple cake. Okay, I've sent it. What size are you looking for? I'm looking for a 2 kg cake. Okay, send it. Okay, it doesn't. Okay, sorry, 2K. Okay, sorry. I am looking for a small size cake. Okay, send it. At what time you need the cake? I will be taking the cake by afternoon. Let's see. Yep, we have got your order by the cake by afternoon. We will confirm the order. Yes, that's great. Your order has been taken. Thanks. It's a pleasure to help you. See, so it is working quite fine. You can add some designs here if you want, padding, wedding. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is this video will be quietly lengthy, so I will be adding some designs, padding, wedding, and all that stuff. Project that's open source on the GitHub. I will add this project on the GitHub, and you can just check out with the link which was in the description box. Okay, so guys, I hope this is done. I have explained you how to use the Dialogflow package with the Dialogflow integration. So guys, if you like this content, so please give it a like and comment if you have any queries about it, as well as do subscribe this video with your Flutter geeks, or as well as Android, iOS, or anyone that is mobile developer, or as well as who are willing to learn Flutter, as well as who are willing to get the chatbot in their Flutter application, as well as those who are those who want to know what Dialogflow is and how does it works. I have just made a video of using Dialogflow in just 30 minutes, and you can create your own chatbot within the time. Okay, so guys, thanks for being with us, and thank you.